Hi, my name is Anne-Helene and I'm an occupational therapist and the owner of Baby Steps. Today I will take you through the exercises that you can do with your baby when you're taking them to the swim center. I hope you will use the exercises and enjoy. This video will be about diving with the baby, not diving from the edge, jumping down into the pool, but putting their heads underneath of the water instead and pulling them back up of the water. When we dive with the babies, I really like that there are consensus between us and the baby about what is going to happen, and that we can do by gaining their attention through their eye contact, have them looking at us, counting 1, 2, 3, that's a cue so that eventually they will know that when we're looking at each other and we're counting 1, 2, 3, I will be put underneath of the water and getting back up of the water again. So I really enjoy this process where we introduce the cues for the babies, because some babies catch it so fast and other babies don't really catch it. And it's okay that they don't catch it, because we still use it. Because even though we might not be able to see that they are getting ready, they will be getting ready and we will prepare them for the dive when we do the cue. So what we will be doing is we will hold our hands around of the baby, around of the chest area, thumbs in the thumbs over the shoulder so that we have them lying in a belly lying position where we can drag them towards ourselves underneath the water. We really want them have them lying on their bellies and in a forward motion instead of an up and down motion, because it's easier to control how their head is positioned when they get out of the pool if they are lying on their belly instead of an upright diving. When the babies are diving, the diving reflex will kick in, but it's just about closing the swallow, so they don't swallow all of the water, but they will still be diving with an open mouth, which means that all through the dive they will have an open mouth which will be filled with water. So as soon as they get out of the water, they will have to process the water by either swallow it or spit it out. And if we have them lying on their bellies, it's easier for them to spit out the water. So we will be doing the dive by having the babies lying in front of us, gaining their attention, having their eye contact, counting 1, 2, 3, dive, pulling the babies underneath of the water, dragging towards us, lifting them up of the water. And then as soon as they come up off the water, we will tell them how good they were at diving. Oh my God, you're such a good boy, or whatever we will do to comfort ourselves and our babies, because it is quite stressful the first couple of times to dive with the babies. But most of the babies enjoy diving, and those who doesn't enjoy it don't have to do the dive. The dive is not essential for their motor skill development. Here we more look at all the other exercises that we can do in the water, where we are stimulating on all of the primary senses, where the dive and the activation of the diving reflex is just a gimmick that the babies can do. So you can keep doing it if your baby really likes it, but do you have a baby who doesn't like diving? I would just not dive and do something else instead. Because even though they might not like diving when they are babies, they might still enjoy and love diving as soon as they get older and are in control of the dive. This was a short video with a nice exercise that you can use with your baby the next time you're at the swim center. I hope you will enjoy the exercises and good luck. Bye.